All right, this is day 6 of the Master Cleanse. I've been drinking the Master Cleanser Diet or the lemonade mixture from Stanley Burroughs. A book was written many decades ago, and it's really about how to do a detoxification by simply having the lemonade mixture, which is 8 ounces of water, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice is always the better way to go. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and 1/10 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a very spicy lemonade mixture. I've been doing really well. I'm surprised I've been doing so well. I have experienced a little bit of a detox reaction. Yesterday again, I had a few more pimples coming out on my head. My tongue has a little bit more white on it, not as heavy as the first time. And again, you can't even brush this stuff off. It's just coming out through the skin. My urine flow is better. Yesterday I did have I had arthritis in my hands, where after a hard day's work, where I would normally feel some acid or some burning is where I felt my pain yesterday. Arthritis in my hands, my wrist, my knuckles, my forearms. And to me, that is the detoxification working. It's actually moving waste through the body, and that's one thing we have to understand, that when we're starting to clean the body, the lymph system, when we allow waste to come out, when we're more alkaline, we're allowing waste to come out into the tissues or out of the tissues, coming into the lymphatic system, and the lymphatic system really just collects it, brings it all the way through the body, right into major lymph drains right here on the side of the neck, and then it just pushes it back out into the heart and blood. So it's really just recirculating this. Yes, it does go through the lymph nodes to be worked on a little bit with macrophages and lymphocytes, but really it's just coming right into this area, being pushed back out. And that's why yesterday, right, my knuckles were hurting, because I was getting filled up with waste. That's why I was getting pimples. That's why my tongue was bothering me. So it really is understanding that this waste is congesting me. But there are a lot of people who are walking around who have arthritis, who have pain, and they don't realize that they're just congested, and that lymphatic system is congested. So I also went and did a good workout. I thought I'd do a light workout of only maybe 6 laps in the pool at the gym, but I actually ended up doing 12, my normal. I just did it at 3/4 of my normal pace. Again, you don't want to push yourself, but I really felt strong. I did not feel weak doing the laps. I did spend about 15 to 20 minutes in a steam room, coming out once in between, take a cold shower, and then going back in. So again, I'm doing really well. My urine flow has improved, so that shows me that acid waste is starting to lessen up, is starting to get a little less in my body. And so far, again, even though this is not my goal to just lose weight, I will lose a lot of weight, and you'll gain about 3/4 of it back. So it is a good way to start a weight loss program. But I did lose 8 pounds so far in the 6 days, and my percent body fat has also come down 1 point. So again, we're doing really good. Again, it's mindset. I can tell you now, it's about 6 days, and it's getting harder. Now I just want to eat something. And I just keep on telling myself, look, you're doing great. Your body's cleaning itself. You're seeing pimples. You're seeing things come out of your tongue. You're feeling your hands getting sore and then getting better. So again, positive results is what we're seeing. So we want to keep this going. Got a few more days to just have this lemonade mixture, and then we'll break down possibly by Wednesday to start having some fruit juices, and then sort of wean off this. But again, my mindset is to really make sure that I don't go right back into eating the same foods that I was eating, because that really will not nullify the whole detox, but it's not going to be as beneficial. We want to do this detox, and then we want to eat clean for a little while so that we can prolong it and again make the body flow a lot better. So day 6 of the Master Cleanser, feeling really good. If you have any questions, contact me at johnosipinski.com.